YouTube, it has been a while. It has been a while since I have uploaded a video. So today I am going to just take you all in my kitchen. I am doing I'm not a chef. Disclaimer, I am not a chef. I am not the best cook. But today is Saturday and in my house we love soup. And Saturdays are soup days. I'm going to cook chicken foot soup, right? I have all my ingredients over here and I am going to make chicken foot soup. So come along with me. All right, people. So I got me potato, Irish potato. I got all heap of potato like I got from the farmer's market. I had already purchased potato and all that. Me say them little fine flyer, you see. Me have carrot. Me have turnip. Me have chocho. Me have white yam. Listen, it's a blessing when you find them things here in the supermarket. And it good too. It tastes good because me already cook some from it. Right? I cook piece of the yam already with me baked bean and saltfish and me whole heap of food. Yeah, it did taste good, you see. And me have corn from the farmer's market too. Right? And you know like a seasoning did there. And me have like a spinach and the flour did there and the cornmeal because you don't know the dumpling half in that. Right? And me I have right here so now me like a chicken foot. I mean, I got cut off the two of them and cook up. Alright? I'm going to pot the pan the fire ready. No water no in there, nothing. But boy, I wonder if the pot here big enough. Like, sometimes I cook too much food and the pot just can't hold. But I try my best. Because my hand heavy, you know, I try my best not to do too much today. Right? Just cooking for a family of 4. But it feel like there's something that I'm missing. Like, you feel like I miss something. What me not have? Here so just feel bad. Yeah, me know me not have no pumpkin. Because honestly, the pumpkin them there here is not like the pumpkin them back home. No sweet potato. That me can't find Jamaican sweet potato here. So them potato, it no sweet. Like it look like some of them look like the Jamaican sweet potato, like them purple on the outside, but they're not it. Right? But oh, yep. I know what I'm missing. I know what I'm missing. I don't have any cock soup, but I have these chicken noodles. I brought them from Jamaica from in July. So yeah, that me I miss. My grace chicken noodle mix. Right? I'm have my pepper in the fridge. So I have everything right now. So look here no man. I go start up the thing, you know. I go start up the thing. Yep. I go seal the boat here now. So I'm peeling the foods like the Irish potatoes and scraping the carrot. Gonna cut them up, and then I'm going to just put the chicken foot along with this food. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put on the chicken foot now, like, and then I add the cut up food them. I'm going to boil and soften out and give the soup some body. Yeah. So let me get my pot, add some water. Add some water. Yahoo, yeah, you. Put another pot now.
Now can I help you?
I'm going to add garlic to the pot. You know, I always cook with garlic. I like to add garlic. Oopsie. Yep. All right, so the chicken foot, water. Yep, the chicken foot is on the stove now. Go and boil. It go and boil.
Mommy,
Yes, Yuzuri?
can I cook with you now? But we're gonna sit.
Okay. Alrighty. Oh, my face on this one. Come right here, so babes.
Is Jana your babes?
Both of you.
Both of us?
Yeah. But you see, through Andrea big now. Sometimes you can't bother with her. Take off your shoes.
Okay.
You see, one of the things is that my father always tell me, say, me take out too much of the food when I'm peeling it. Like, maybe I need a peeler, but...
Hi guys, welcome to my mom's video.
Thank you, Zuri. Thank you for that introduction.
Today I'm making food with my mommy.
Okay.
This is my first time doing it.
No, you have made food with me before. Actually, you have done soup with me before. Remember when you made the spinners?
Yeah.
Okay. But you just love...
I was watching TV, but now I'm cooking with my mom. She's the best mom ever, and I love her.
My head as well, so. Thank you, Zuri.
And she takes care of me every day. I love my mom.
Thank you, Zuri. You're so sweet. You always come with those kind words.
And she always kisses me when I'm hurt.
Yeah.
She loves me so much, and I help her wash the dishes.
Yeah. So are you coming to help me cook, or?
And I'm 5, and I'm helping my mom cook.
Okay.
So guys, you can watch us cook.
Okay. They're watching us.
Okay. But Mama, what did I do?
All
Because
right.
I can't use the knife because I'm too little.
Okay, that's true. That is why I am peeling these potatoes first, and after I peel them, you're going to help me to cut them up. Okay? Yes.
I can't do knives like that, but only like
Yeah, I'll hold your hand and show you how to cut them up, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
So my hand's gonna be here and your hand's gonna be on top of mine.
Very good. Exactly. Yeah. Great. Going faster.
Kinda skinny.
It's called turnip.
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 Yeah.
How come I can't cut the carrot with you?
You're gonna cut it.
Like this? Mommy, I want to cut the potato already. You're just letting me do nothing.
Yeah, I know that, but I have to scrape the carrots first, alright? Hey, no fancy cooking, you know. Like, we not cook fancy when we're there, we are cook, and this is like an authentic raw cooking. No apron, no hairnet. Who does that at home? Some people do, but like a regular day, you know, do that. You know, my grandmother used to cook in apron all the time. This is not a fancy thing, you know. This is just at home cooking. Anything goes. Not anything. We have to take into consideration proper hygiene, yes, cleanliness, like as always. But I mean, I don't know fancy nothing. Oops. The carrot, yeah. Big tough carrot.
I'll be here. I'll be back.
Okay.
Why did the other chair?
Okay, sorry. Yes. Me say people, I remember, you know, I'm coming from afar with the cooking thing, you know. Because I remember when my mom started cooking before I went to school, she was cooking stew peas. And she said to me, all right, Russia, when you come from school, because usually I come home before her. So when you come from school, just finish cook the stew peas. But she never tell me how to cook it. Master. I dash in everything in my stew peas. The trash and the coconut juice, every flipping thing me dash in my stew peas. And it did a stew out back foot. That's the coconut trash, everything. That stew peas couldn't eat.
You're just letting me stand there and having me do nothing.
What did I say to you? You have to be patient, you know. So if you're not patient right now, go and back go watch your TV. Yeah? Do you want
to have a mother and daughter date?
Yeah, after we cook, we can have that mother and daughter date. Yeah, we can go for a walk in the park. We can sit and watch a movie. Yeah.
But you're gonna pick the movie.
That's good, yeah. No worries. I'll pick a family movie that you will enjoy. I'll think about it.
We make our own fort.
We can do that too. So after we finish, we'll just eat dinner and watch a movie. Like today, guys, I'm really busy most of the time. Like I work
and make a fort while we're watching.
Yeah, I work.
It's gonna be so epic.
Yeah, epic. One of my job is night, just 5 days a week night, and then I do have a second job, but it's part-time, and then of course it's flexible. I'm talking to you. It's flexible, so I can decide that, you know what, I don't want to work this weekend, whatever. Alright? Being super busy, plus I have my side hustle, and I'm gonna do a video about that one day. So today I even have to cancel an appointment because I'm like, no.
In the fort.
Yeah, I got a message saying that, hey, are you available? I would like my son here to be done, and I'm like, oh no, I'm busy this weekend. Like, I decided that I'm going to clear my calendar and make time for me and my family because I was feeling tired and I'm always listening to my body. And plus YouTube, like I haven't posted any video. I was just feeling tired, busy. So I said that, you know what? I'm going to make some videos too and post them. Right? And then this morning, because this is not really the content that I usually make, so this morning I decided, why not, like, I made a post here about some produce I got from the farmers market. I'm like, yo, I'm cooking soup today, so why not just capture that turnip. So I decided that I'm going to just make the video and put it out there. Like, I'm kind of breaking out of my comfort zone. Like this is not me really. The thing that I'm comfortable to doing is like making content. Like,
Mommy, are you going to put them together?
yeah, everything. I'm gonna cut them and put them together. I'm comfortable making doing my gardening and videoing it. That's how it started. So I've always been doing that when I was in Jamaica, but I used to post it on my WhatsApp, and there was something tugging me that, you know what, do a YouTube channel. So I did.
Because I'm doing a channel.
No, you can go pee now.
But
Put on
Mommy,
your
you're going to talk without me.
No, I'll wait till you come back. Go on.
Okay.
Yeah. And wash your hands, because you can't come back in the kitchen with your pee hands.
Okay.
Yeah, so I had started one there, but since I moved, something like I couldn't get access, and so I created a new one. Wasn't vlogging because I didn't really want to vlog, so I decided that, you know what, let me start. Spring come, I was going to Jamaica. Let me start up one. I get a lot of forward and those Jamaican videos, even shorts. One of my shorts, almost 200 views, and I'm really grateful. Like, that really, it gives me the courage to continue. It gives me the courage to, you know, just go at it, because I'm really not. I was usually a shy person. I'm breaking out of that now, but I'm really not that person. So to be doing this right now, it's a lot. Like, it's a lot. And yeah, sometimes, you know, you would want to showcase things, but maybe you're like worried about what others will say, or just you looking good, or you, yeah, because that's how we are. I mean, that's how I was socialized. So I'm trying, and I know I'll get better at this, and I will get there. But I have some very loyal subscriber who is always watching my video and always commenting. I'm gonna give you a shout out. I'm gonna just write down your name, you know, and give you a shout out. Right? Yeah. But I know. I just don't want to leave anyone out, so I'm not just giving a shout out now. But I have a few who just always supporting, and they also have their YouTube channel, and they do their content, mainly gardening, and I'm grateful. So whatever it is, even if I got like,
Mommy,
yes, Zuri, if I got 100 views, yeah, I'm just talking while you come, or 200, 300, I'm very grateful. It's a start, and it's not bad for the start. Right? So I'm really grateful. All right, little girl. So basically, I finished peeling them now. Boy, I may probably peel off enough of the food.
but did you cut them as yet?
No, we are going to cut them together.
You scared me.
Why are you sounding so tired, Mama?
Mommy,
Wait, no, girl.
your hands are wet. I don't want to touch your wet hands.
So how you gonna be in the kitchen?
I want to cook with you.
All right, come. Okay, come.
I'm the boss, okay? I'm the boss of the day.
Okay.
I'm the boss of the day, Mom. I think I can handle it myself while you hold it.
I don't know about that.
That was me. I was
Wait.
moving it. See, I'm moving it.
Yeah, you are. That's good.
I'm a good trainer.
You're a good helper.
I'm a good helper.
Wait.
I'm
listen.
waiting.
Listen to me.
I'm waiting.
You're learning, right? And you have to follow instruction and you have to follow my guide. All right? Because this is knife and knife is dangerous. So don't try to take on too much on your own, right?
Okay.
Yes. You have to creep before you walk, right?
I have to creep before I walk.
Yeah. You gotta learn the step. Wait, hold up. I don't want them to cut too big. Right?
You don't want them to cut too big.
You have to dice them. So when I put them in the pot, they cook. Watch what you're doing. You cannot be watching the TV.
Okay. While doing the knife.
Right. You'll have an accident.
What kind of accident?
You'll cut yourself or me.
What happens if I cut you accidentally?
If you cut me accidentally, you're gonna cut your back. Just kidding. But you wouldn't want to cut me, would you?
No.
Right, so that wouldn't be nice.
That's a lot. And then I have to do the big one. Are you serious?
But I didn't call you to help me. You volunteer. So why are you complaining? Maybe I just saved some for blending. I probably won't use that much carrots.
Okay.
Because it's really a lot and
Then how much are you gonna cut? Like 1,000,100?
I'll just leave this to blend with my beetroot over here.
Okay.
Yeah. And then I'll just cut these.
Those ones, all of them in one?
Yeah.
I just saw you cut two.
The pot is boiling with the chicken. Alright, Zoe, listen. Just guide. Follow my guide. And you put your finger in a girl.
Sorry, mommy.
Follow my guide.
I am following your guide.
You want to be a chef?
Yes, I want to be a chef. I want to be a chef. I want to be a chef.
No. Be careful.
You were just not helping me. Did I cut your finger? I was scared. Did I cut your finger? I was scared. Because I would never want to cut my mom's finger. Because if I cut my mom's finger, I would feel bad for her. I would feel bad for you if you cut your finger. That's why I want you to help me, because I'm not good as a cook yet. And Jonna said that kids can cook. Is that true?
Kids can? I can't.
She said kids can cook.
Yeah, kids can cook, yes, but they have to.
I can't cook.
Supervised. These are here. Oh my goodness, these are here. They have to be supervised by an adult.
Supervised by an adult?
Yeah, by an adult.
I am so not good because I don't know how to cook.
That's fine, and that's okay. You are just fine. That's okay.
No, I want to help you.
Okay.
I wash my hands.
You wash your hands? Okay.
I promise.
Did you use soap?
Yes.
Okay.
No, let me do all of it.
I don't want them to fall off the board, so I'm just putting them closer so it would be easier for you.
No, let me do the rest.
Okay. So I do that.
No.
Learning is to not getting it right. And it's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to not get it right at the first try or the second try or the third try or the fourth try. You can just keep trying. Trying. Right?
Yeah.
No one is perfect. Everyone has to learn.
Everyone has to learn. No one is perfect.
Yeah, no, not everyone get it right.
I was talking about that girl in the TV.
You cannot be cooking and watching TV, girly.
Alright, girly mommy.
Oops. Potato flying everywhere, girl.
I want to see how good I can do it. Is this not that strong to cut people's fingers?
Yes.
Can scissors cut us easily and knives?
Yes, any sharp item,
And
any sharp tool can do us harm. That is why kids are not supposed to be playing with scissors, knives, and all these things.
And forks, but forks don't normally. Forks are spiky, but they don't cut us, right?
They can stab us though.
Stab us.
Yeah.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Just like this forks right here.
Yeah.
This can stab us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stab myself.
No, Zuri, don't bother with
I'm
it.
just joking. Oh my gosh, Mommy, you're so scared. I'm just joking. Oh, so you're mixing them up?
Yes, because they're gonna be all mixed up in the pot, right?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you gonna make these awesome videos every day?
I can't promise every day, Sid.
You can't promise every day.
Because Mama work.
Because Mama work.
Yeah.
Maybe when you're all stressed. Haji, you're home. I'll be back. I'm just gonna go hug Daddy.
Oh, Daddy's home and dinner is not ready yet. War is in the dance.
Daddy.
War is tonight. No, no worries. Daddy come home. All right. So now, Zuri, we're gonna put this in the pot. Put this in the
But
pot.
what if me burn myself?
You're not going to burn yourself.
You're gonna help me do it?
Be careful, Zuri. All right, the chicken put them a cook up.
Oh, I can see the carrot.
Everything in there.
Do we have to like squeeze it down? No, just
All right, Zuri. So what I need now is a big spoon. Take out a big spoon. Yes, my little helper. This can do. This will do.
You told me to do it.
No, I don't want the heat to burn you. So just put this in.
You told me to get it.
Yeah. Let it go and cook down now. Everything mash out, cook out. I'm gonna need the dumplings. I'm gonna need a dumpling.
Dumpling?
Yeah, dumpling I'm gonna need right now. And got in there. Nice, rich composing.
Do doctors have hearts?
Pardon?
Do doctors have hearts?
Of course, why not? They're human beings. Why couldn't they?
Yes, they do have hearts. Mommy, how are so wet?
What's wrong with you on wet? You don't like to feel wet?
No. Wet feels so bad.
A part of cooking is you have to clean while you go along. So whenever I cook, I'm finish cook the kitchen clean, everything wash up, everything good.
Mommy, are you done? Done already? Done already?
Wait, I clean and put back things.
Now can you have a moderate daughter and think you're done cooking?
I'm not finished. I have the dumpling to make now.
But it was have a moderate daughter and make a fork.
Come on, I'm in kitchen.
No, I want to make a fork.
What did we say? When I'm
Actually,
finished.
Mommy, when you're done, I'm just gonna make a fork all by myself.
Okay.
Do I need a big chair?
No, you can just put it there. Take up your dish that you have to have the cereal. Little girl. Yeah, and have the cleaning on your fingernail. Them can't be too long. And you make no one there.
Actually, I wanted a fork with only using chairs.
Okay, so go with it. Chill. Go on. Let's sit in on. She always asks to help me to cook. And midway through, she gone.
This
I
is
don't make too much dumpling because I don't have a lot of space in the pot. I don't belong with God. Make some spinach. Pour these in containers. Alright. Oh my soul. Pimento. Need to put some pimento in the pot too. Forget pimento. I'm a salt. Put some salt now in the flour. That good.
so fun. What do you mean I only need one chair?
It's gonna need some more salt in the pot, but I don't normally put salt in the soup until I'm seasoning it with the chicken noodles and those stuff. All right, I need a cup. Just with this. Some milk.
Yeah, you're right.
Mix it up.
How much do you want?
Just a little bit.
A little bit? Enough? More?
Wait, no, girl.
Now?
Up, so I'm gonna set this aside. Wash up my hand then.
Mommy, we're watching this, okay? Yeah, I like watched that a million times. Okay, just looking for one so long. Hey, I watched this one. Mommy, I'm gonna pause it for you. I'm gonna pause it. I already did it. Mommy, I'm gonna make it bigger so me and you have to look at it. Why is it so heavy for baby house?
When I'm finished with the work. I said wait. The soup is coming along. No color yet. Like a pumpkin, you don't give it some color, you know, but then again, me not no pumpkin. Right? But when me put in the grace, noodle mix, yeah, I'm gonna get some colors. Have body, and I'm gonna click, and that is why I put a lot of carrots and Irish and turnips and all these things in it. Right? Yeah, you. Alright, so I'm gonna put in these, yeah. Corn. Yam and corn gone. And even though the white yam is soft, it doesn't take time to cook. Now I'm going to put the dumplings in there. Ever hear the story of the one-hand man? Who sells soup and him always make dumpling and put in the soup? And everybody I buy soup from the man, you know. Until one day, somebody catch me, roll up the dumpling and their arm. How the one-hand man make dumpling?
You better not be looking
Spinners!
Spinners.
What is a soup without the spinners in there?
I'm back, Mom. So good. Introduced it.
Yes, the soup are coming on. Turned on the stove. So I'm going to add the cock soup mix in it. Yeah. Yeah, you. Hey, we need a bigger pot, you know. We need a bigger pot. This is the biggest pot I have. I mean, my family is small still, but we need a bigger pot. Because I have to separate it and put some dumpling and corn over there. So, because tell you what, you see, I'm very sure I'm going to have 2 servings. Everybody are going to have 2 servings because my family, them love soup. You know, I think the camera do that soup here no justice because kind of look like a bit much more yellower. In person. As I said, the pumpkin would have given it a richer look, but me not have any. Don't have any. You know, me not even add no spinach, you know. So me have my spinach, but because this soup mix don't have some little green thing in there already, you know. Maybe at times still. But here what's going on now. Oh, the pepper. And guys, you want me to show you a flex? Like, this is a flex. Like, me not have no time. Me not have no time. And me love put everything in my soup, right? So watch. This is a flex. Watch ya now. A child. Me child. Alright, me no need no more than this right now. This is my flex, yo. When you can go in your garden and pick something and put it straight in your pot. Yeah, it's a flex. It is a flex. So guys, see the flex there? My time in my pot, straight out of my garden. In Alberta, Canada. Container garden. So we do it. That is indeed a flex. Yeah, when you can go in your garden, pick something outside and put it straight in your pot. That is a flex. Right? My soup not look so bad. Catch it from different angle. Yeah. Just laid like a pumpkin, but it still gonna taste good. Yeah. Me have all my okra in there. Yep. My pepper. Me not think this is scotchy though, but me don't know. My corn, dumpling, spinners. Everybody in there. My chicken food them cock up in there. Yeah, African store me forgot go get it chicken food. It not sell in a regular supermarket here, so yeah, I eat that. I just saw it there. Just waiting on it to simmer down and we're good to go. Okay? I am going to do my taste test. Let me see if it needs little more seasoning, little more this, little more that, anything little bit more. Alright, thank you. When I really put the spoon out my mouth, right, just so.
Oops, sorry, Mom.
Tastes good. Can go on.
Is it sweet, Mama?
It's sweet, Zuri. The secret lies here. This shell. And I two me put not one, but 2. So it good to go. Yep. Just waiting on it to simmer down. I'm good. So guys, here what me I gonna do now. I'm gonna just clean up the kitchen, wash up everything, and we're good to go. Alright. Until the food done, I'll see you again. May I see you back when the food done here. But me I go and wash up in the meantime. One, some do it, you know. Wipe off the stove. When they pat the pan. right, that is it, guys. See, everything done now. Kitchen clean, cause you have to make sure the kitchen clean when you finish cooking. You can't serve food in a dirty kitchen, right? Let me see how the soup are going. Yes, that is it. That is it. Fully turn off the stove now. Simmer down. Yeah, little bit. Me just bless up some beets, carrot, cucumber with little ginger. No sugar added. Straight. That is it, peeps. That is it. That is it. So, my peeps, thank you once more for tuning in. And there you have it, Saturday soup. Yep, that is it. I gotta drink my soup. I gotta have my soup with my family. And till next video, I'll see you again. Peace out. No, peace out. How we go? Anything. Take care.